Hello everyone, welcome to 72 Portfolio Intelligence. We know that you read the caption and you are curious, so let's begin. So Nifty is at 18,000. It has moved from 15,000 to 18,000 in just 1 year. It is at all-time high and you wish you had invested in those companies who pushed the index to 18,000. We know you have thought of buying those stock of 50 companies that make the Nifty index, but you have possibly dropped the idea because it takes a lot of money to buy those stocks. Now, what if we tell you you can invest in those valuable companies just by rupees 200? It sounds suspicious, right? But it is actually 100% legitimate. Let us introduce you to the concept of exchange traded funds. So, what is an ETF? Let us understand it in a simple manner. An ETF is that small kid in your house who tries to replicate everything you do. He follows you around and tries to do whatever you do. Now, to put it more formally, an ETF is a financial security that tracks and replicates the underlying asset or a basket of asset, index, sector, commodity, or any asset that can be bought or sold on exchanges. The professional investors call it the passive investing, which essentially means the investors are accepting the market returns as they are, and they do not have to track the market or time the market. The ETF does all the work. It is suitable for all kinds of investors. Even professionals like some sense of security that passive investment brings, even though they are constantly trying to beat the market. But it is more suitable for people who don't have the time and knowledge for stock markets, or people who are just trying to save their money's worth and escape the silent killer that eats away all of their money. Yes, we are talking about inflation. So you must be asking yourself, how does one invest in those companies? So there's an ETF that tracks the Nifty 50 index, i.e., it essentially tracks the performance of 50 companies included in that index. It is called Nifty Bees, and surprisingly, it costs only $199 a piece. As we said, you can invest in 50 companies only at 200 rupees. So you can use ETFs to invest in gold. Let us understand what is a gold ETF. ETFs are also available for commodities like precious metals. Gold ETFs are the commodity-based ETFs that invest in gold. The actual physical gold is represented in dematerialized and paper form, and investors invest in stock instead of actual gold. It is an ideal investment for diversifying your portfolio and get an exposure of precious metals. It is also a suitable product as it is safer than holding actual physical gold. Investing in gold ETF is also a tax efficient way to hold gold as the gains are considered as long-term capital gains. Investors can also avoid high making charges that they have to pay while buying physical gold. The exchange trade fund provides great transparency due to its direct pricing with gold. When you actually redeem the gold ETF, you don't get physical gold, but you receive the cash equivalent, which makes it extremely convenient for investors. How to check an ETF's performance to make an informed decision? So you go to www.72pi.in, you click on the Markets tab and go to Global Multi-Asset Monitor. When you go to Global Multi-Asset Monitor, you click on ETF Monitor. When you reach the ETF Monitor page, you can find a list of ETFs available for investment. You will also find a summarized performance of all kinds of ETFs based on closing price, QTD, YTD, and MTD returns over the years. You can also find a detailed information about a particular ETF when you click on it. When you click on a particular ETF, you will find various performance against various indices, the price chart, the technical analysis data regarding moving averages, relative strength, volumes, and volatility. All this detailed information is available on www.72pi.in.